Welcome
to our
back.
channel. I'm Laura.
I'm Trish.
And we are You Wish I Would. And guess what? We got a new shop. Come on in. So when you come in the entryway, this is going to be our little hangout space. The whole shop's not fully organized right now. We just moved in. But this is going to be our hangout space. We got a sofa and a TV, but you don't need to see that. And then come around. This
is our classroom.
What are we doing in here, honey?
So this is where we will hold classes such as we'll do sip and paint,
smaller crafts. So we're gonna have some big event prop classes. So for the bigger items, we're doing that in the shop. But everything else we're gonna be doing here: small crafts, kids classes, adults classes for signs, sip and paint, and stuff like that. This is gonna be a little classroom to teach people.
Yeah. So next time you guys see it, it'll have tables, chairs.
Yeah, she's gonna decorate and make it all
decor on the walls.
And then, right around this way, again, it's messy. This is our storage room. It's messy. So our completed projects, stuff we're selling, once we start building up inventory, that's going to all be in here. Then we have a little kitchen area. Trish is making it feel like home.
As we said, we're still organizing. So
we have a couple of bathrooms. We have a utility closet. You don't care what's in there. And then, come on. Come on, honey. This is our shipping room / her crafting room. So we do sell a few things on Etsy, and then there's going to be some other stuff we're hoping to sell on Etsy that this is where we're going to ship out. And then if you turn, this is Trish's crafting area. Now, come on and see our shop. It's messy. It's messy. We've only been here a couple days. So, this direction. This right here, we're getting a CNC. So lots of cool projects coming. Back there in the corner, that's going to be a laser table. We have a couple of projects that are being made right now. Candy cart and some letters. Then over here, we got our drill press, our oscillating sander, our scroll saw. Our planer's probably going to end up being over here. We got our sanding station. Workbench. This isn't where it's going to end up being, but we're getting organized. And then around this way, we have some lumber storage. So we got all that over here. This is going to be, get out the way. That's going to be a nice miter station. That's still in the works. That's a temporary setup. And then probably over here, we're going to set up a nice little background just for doing YouTube videos, craft stuff, and all of that. So, yeah.
So next time you guys see this place, it'll be all done. It'll be great.
It'll never be done.
We can't. Yeah, we're always like, oh, let's add this. Let's do this though.
So we got a lot of projects coming. We're gonna try to do some smaller stuff weekly, signs, and try to record some tutorials on some of the things we're making. All of our event items are not available yet for free on YouTube. We have to pay someone to record, so we have to make something for our time. But once we're monetized, it's up. There's gonna be a whole lot of stuff on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe so we can build up our audience. Watch our videos so we can build up our watch hours and all that. And stay tuned for what we have in the works.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.